We are very grateful to the county government of Kilifi, who have sacrificially supported our law enforcement agencies, the investigating team, and the prosecution team by preserving those bodies for more than a year now. We are very grateful to the governor of Kilifi County and the county government for going out of their way to contribute to this national matter, even if it's not even without, it's beyond their mandate. As you know, security is not a devolved function. We are very grateful. We are particularly grateful because, again, the county government has decided to waive all the charges and fees for the mortuary for all that period. And again, we are grateful. The national government will support the families that are unable to transport their loved ones so that they can bury the remains decently. We will support them to be able to transport their loved ones. And I have directed the county security team to work with the county government so that we can identify families that require support. As you're aware, Chakama Ranch, particularly part of it where the principal suspect concentrated on his activities, remains a scene of crime. And therefore, last week the government has degazetted the rest of the Chakama Ranch. It's a 50,000 acre ranch. So about 46,000 acres are gazetted, and we have made sure that we don't have any possible grave sites there. But the 4,000 acres around where the principal suspect concentrated his crime remains a scene of crime and is not available for any public activities. We shall be fencing off that area. It will be available in the long term because the investigating team and the prosecution team will require that scene of crime to be able to prosecute and get justice. And the court may need site visits so that they can be able to put together the evidence and the material that they will have received from the prosecution. So that area now remains out of bounds. It's not available. And because of the defilement and the discretion that was done on that scene of crime, the government has decided that that parcel, the 4,000, will be compulsorily taken by government, and it is going to be used to, first of all, arrest any of our brothers and sisters or our children who lost their lives, but either they cannot be identified for whatever reason, or maybe they have not been claimed, or if a family voluntarily agrees, we are going to lay them in a dignified manner on that parcel, and the government will also construct a memorial on that property so that it remains a permanent reminder of what happened in our country.